If you love big, soft, and fluffy dinner rolls, you are in for a treat. These bread machine dinner rolls are not only super easy to make, but they are also buttery, warm, and melt in your mouth good. To make these bread machine dinner rolls, start by adding 3/4 of a cup or 175 milliliters of lukewarm water to the bread pan. Next, add 1 large egg to the bread pan and lightly break it up with a fork or a spatula. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of powdered milk to the bread pan. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract to the bread pan. Next, carefully add 380 grams or 2 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour to the bread pan. Now, make a well in the center of the flour on top and add 1½ teaspoons of bread machine yeast into the well. Next, add 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter, which I have cut into small cubes, and arrange the cubes around the edges of the flour on top in the bread pan. Now, place the bread pan in the bread maker, ensuring it is securely locked in position. Select the dough setting and let the bread machine mix all the ingredients until a smooth and elastic dough is formed. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your bread maker. Then take the dough out of the bread pan and place it onto a work surface. Using your hands, shape the dough into a ball shape, as you can see here. Now, using a dough cutter, divide the dough into 3 equal pieces, as you see me doing here. Then, take each piece and further cut it into 3 smaller pieces, resulting in a total of 9 pieces. Now, gently shape each piece into a dough ball, making sure they are smooth and round as you can see in the video here. Next, place the dough balls into a 9 by 9 inch square baking tray, arranging them closely together. Don't worry if they touch as we want them to fill the tray. This will help create a nice shape for the rolls, as you will see soon. Brush the dough balls with melted butter to give them a delicious buttery flavor and help them turn a nice golden color when they bake. Cover the dough balls with a kitchen towel to keep them warm and cozy while they rise. This will help them become nice and fluffy. Let them rest for about 60 to 75 minutes or until they have doubled in size and perfectly filled up the bread pan, as you can see here.
Oh yeah!
Next, bake the dinner rolls in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 13 to 15 minutes until your kitchen smells like a bakery and the rolls turn a lovely golden brown, as you can see here. These dinner rolls are a true treat. When you pull them from the oven, they are golden brown and smell amazing. They taste warm and buttery.
Yum!
And the rolls are so soft that you can easily pull them apart. They have a lovely balance of lightness and a little bit of chew, making them perfect for any meal. If you like this bread machine dinner rolls recipe, then you are going to like my latest video here. Check it out now.